Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be designing something I've been wanting pretty much since I got my lathe stand. I've wanted a holder for my chisels that I can attach to my Bauer Universal Lathe Stand. It needs to be able to attach to the lathe stand in such a way that the chisels are easily accessible. It also needs to be able to be removable. So now the lathe stand has a front face, two sides with bolt holes, and then the back where I'm going to mount it is open. So I need to design it in such a way that it can grab onto the open end, enter the bolt holes, and then get tied up on the front. So with that, enjoy the process of creating the mounting base. I'll come back to you when I have the first prototype. So this is the outcome of the initial piece. I realized while it was printing that I had miscalculated or misread the actual length that this part should be right here. It should be 4 millimeters instead of 12. So I'm going to go fix that and create a new piece. I'll bring you all back when it's done. I have redone the second piece and it works quite a bit better than the first. but there's still a little bit of a tolerance that should have been added that hasn't been. I will go redesign that, bring y'all back when I have the completed piece. Here are the two completed pieces, one for either side of the stand. They have each three of these little pieces here that go in the M8 bolt holes in the Bauer Universal Lathe Stand, and then we've got some slots for some bolts to go in here that will meet up with some heatset inserts here to help keep them together. And then on the outside of each piece, here we'll have another set of 4 heatset inserts where the piece that will be mounted to it will get attached. So let's get these set up for getting some bolts put in them. Now that we've got these prepped for mounting, let's go get these mounted. We'll need